Welcome to Nyam Nyam. We're making peanut butter and jelly cupcakes. You need 135 grams of unsalted butter and 125 grams of caster sugar in a mixing bowl. Blend it together and then crack in 2 eggs. 125 grams of self-raising flour and 1 tablespoon of milk will also go into that. 50 grams of peanut butter. Whisk it all together. And your peanut butter cupcake mixture is ready to spoon into your holders. Bake that at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Let it cool, and meanwhile let's make the icing. We need 150 grams of unsalted butter plus 60 grams of peanut butter whisked together with 270 grams of icing sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of milk to that. And your icing is ready! Using an apple corer, we're going to cut out the middle of each cupcake. Spoon in some jam. And pipe on your peanut butter icing. And there you have it! Peanut butter and jelly or jam cupcakes. Delicious! Cut down the middle. For a jammy surprise. Enjoy!